Hey guys, what's up? Long awaited new video, Fessler Outdoor Adventures. It's here. We're back. Today, we're down fishing at the Faber Dam, going for smallies, whatever bites. You know, that's how it goes with me. I really don't care. If it's fish, it's fish, but I would like to get on a big smallie today. We'll see what happens. All right, so today we're using the Gulp Watermelon Pearl minnows. Says they got 400 times more scent dispersion than any other plastic bait. Let's see if that's the case. We got a 1/32 jig head. I already got it tied on. Honestly, really light jig head, really light tackle. Laser SG1 speed stick, Lew's, and a Lew's Mach-A-Lite reel. Real light setup. I do got 10-pound line on, but I'm just gonna be floating it down through, trying to mimic how kind of a live minnow would be floating down through. So we'll see if that produces any bites. All right, let's go. First cast. Honestly, just floating it through the current, jigging it every now and then. All right, so I walk down the bank a bit. I'm kind of just throwing in the current and letting it drift down and seeing if anything picks it up. Nothing too complicated. Like, I'm not even touching it because that thing is so light, it'll bounce off the rocks, it'll do its thing. All right, so I didn't really get any bites down there. I'm gonna try up here, kind of up on the fish ladder. And honestly, it's not looking too good. I didn't really get any bites down there, and usually I do. But we'll make our way up here, make our way back down, see what happens. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh, he got off. Dang it. Shoot. I hope the camera got that. Oh, there's one. There we go. Not as big as that last one, but holy crap. Man, that was unfortunate. I'll throw this guy back. Rebait. There's one. Oh yeah. Come here. Hey, big guy. Well, not big guy. Bigger guy. Come here. Of course you swallowed it, didn't you? Yeah. Another little guy. They really are stacked right here. It's insane. I'm gonna throw in here again. I mean, if they keep biting in this one spot, why move? Seriously. I just hope we can get that big guy back on, or one that's even bigger. There's one. Yeah, he's a tank. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's a tank. Come here. That might be him. That very well could be him. No, not quite as big. Another nice little one. Throw him back. So I had to run back to the car to get some more tackle because when I was down here, I didn't realize that I only brought like 3 jig heads. And if they're biting, I don't want to, you know, be stranded without tackle. So a quick pit stop and we're heading back down. There's one. Yeah, I kept him. There you are, buddy. Man, he's tiny. Oh, and he made me lose my minnow. My imitation minnow, I should say. Look, that's what took it. That small of a fish. All right, guys. Caught a couple bass. Nothing too crazy. I'm so mad we missed that big one. I'm so mad. My GoPro died, so I figure I'm gonna end this segment. Part 2, stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Did an intermission. I went out this morning and now I'm out again with my buddy Mason. And we're gonna be fishing this again. This time we got some live bait. So this is segment 2 of the video. Hope you enjoy. Chicken corn soup. All right, so said we were floating minnows through. Got a little shiner. Nothing crazy and a bobber. Send her out. There's one. Whoa. Oh yeah, tank. Oh, he broke off. Dang it, that was a monster. Oh, I can't believe I missed that bass. I'm so mad. We just have to try again, right? Oh, you should have seen when I was videoing it earlier, the fish that I had. The same exact thing happened. There's one. One's got it. There we go. Oh, behemoth. Behemoth. Absolute behemoth. Absolute monster. Absolute monster. Get up here. Absolute monster. Holy crap. Look at the size of that bass. Good Lord. Oh, yeah. There she be. That's what we came here for. Look at this bass. This was the big guy I was talking about at the beginning of the video. We got him, he's here. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so glad that we got that big fish we were coming for. I missed it earlier and I missed it again, but I'm so glad we ended out the video, caught that big bass. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.